I wouldn't necessarily recommend starting with a non-gated product. Amazon, particularly in places like the USA, more and more of the categories on Amazon in the USA are gated, and there's potentially a reason for that, which I would guess is that they've got so many people trying to sell on that market and they've had so many instances of people scamming on that particular marketplace that they've just limited it and made it much more difficult to get onto it. I suspect that could be what's happening, but certainly I know that more and more categories are now gated. And it's not so much categories, it's more product categories that are gated. So for instance, I'm on protein powders. Well, that's a gated category. It wasn't always the way, but that's now gated. So should you do a gated one for your first one? Well, we're almost at the point where you kind of have to do a gated one in some marketplaces. So don't let that put you off. And again, difficulty to do something shouldn't mean that you don't do it. It should just mean that you consider it in light of your particular situation. Oftentimes, again, things that are hard to do, folks give up on, and it's the hard things where the money's made. Easy money doesn't exist. Does not exist. Hard money, what you have to work your arse off for, well, that exists for sure. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.